Today we're diving into Ghostty, a terminal emulator that claims to bring a fresh perspective to command line interactions. But does it truly stand out in a sea of options? Let's find out if it's worth your time and attention. Ghostty is designed to offer a modern take on terminal emulation, emphasizing user-friendly features and customization. At its core, it provides a sleek interface that caters to both beginners and seasoned developers. The standout feature is its focus on aesthetics. Think vibrant themes and clear fonts that make coding a visually appealing experience. One immediate advantage is how Ghostty integrates features like split panes and tabs, allowing users to multitask efficiently. The ability to customize key bindings and shortcuts also feels intuitive, making it easier to tailor the experience to your workflow. However, some users might find the initial setup a bit overwhelming, especially if they're used to more traditional terminals. While Ghostty aims to support various programming languages, it's unclear how well it handles specific integrations or advanced configurations. This could be a concern for more advanced users looking for deep customization options. Let's break down some pros and cons. On the positive side, Ghostty offers a visually appealing interface and impressive customization options, which can enhance productivity. The split pane feature is particularly useful for those who juggle multiple tasks at once. On the flip side, there are some frustrations. The initial learning curve might deter casual users who expect a straightforward experience. Additionally, while it has solid core features, it lacks some advanced functionalities that seasoned developers might crave. Trust signals are also a bit vague. While the app looks polished, there isn't a lot of user feedback or testimonials available yet. For those who prioritize aesthetics and user experience, Ghostty could be a great fit. However, if you're a hardcore coder needing extensive features, you might want to explore other options. In conclusion, Ghostty has a lot going for it, especially if you value a modern and customizable terminal experience. However, it may not fully satisfy users looking for advanced features or a straightforward setup. If you're curious, it's worth a try, but be prepared for a bit of a learning curve.